This 5-minute solution will show you how to install apps in SD card from the Play Store. To install any apps directly to your Android SD card from Play Store, follow these simple steps. Open your Android settings. First of all, you have to enable developer mode. Xiaomi Redmi users tap on About Phone and tap on MIUI version for 7 times to activate the developer mode. And tap on Back, scroll down, tap on Additional Settings, scroll down, and here you will get the developer option. So tap on that and scroll down, search for Force allow apps to write on external storage. So all you have to do is just enable this option, and after turning on this feature, whenever you install an app from Play Store, the app will be installed in your SD card. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.